In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into MetaMask account. Logging into MetaMask is a straightforward process, whether you're using the browser extension or the mobile app. And in this video, I'll walk you through both methods clearly and give a few helpful tips so you can get to your wallet quickly and securely. If you're using the browser extension, start by locating the MetaMask Fox icon in your browser's toolbar. It usually sits near the address bar. Click that small fox and the extension will open in a pop-up or a new tab, depending on your browser settings. When the MetaMask interface appears, you'll see a password field. Enter the password you created when you first set up the wallet. Take a moment to make sure your caps lock is off and you're typing carefully, because passwords are case-sensitive. After you've entered the correct password, click the Unlock button to access your wallet dashboard. Once unlocked, you'll be able to check balances, view recent transactions, switch networks, and connect to decentralized apps. If the extension doesn't open or the Fox icon is missing, try checking your browser's extension menu or the browser's settings to make sure MetaMask is installed and enabled. For the mobile app, open the MetaMask app on your smartphone or tablet. On the login screen, you'll be prompted to enter your password, or if you've enabled biometric authentication, you can use fingerprint or Face ID instead. Biometric login is convenient and secure for everyday use, but keep in mind that it's still important to have a strong password as a backup. After you authenticate, the app will unlock and you'll be taken into your wallet where you can manage assets, send and receive tokens, and interact with dApps directly from your device. A couple of quick tips for both platforms. Always make sure you're on the official MetaMask extension or app, keep the software updated, and lock your wallet when you're done to prevent unauthorized access. Never share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone, and avoid entering your password on suspicious or unfamiliar websites. If you have trouble logging in, restarting your browser or device, or reinstalling the extension or app from the official source can often resolve common issues. That's it. Simple, secure, and ready to use. Enjoy managing your crypto with confidence.